In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the time zone in Slack. If your Slack time looks incorrect, or you've traveled, moved, or simply want your account to reflect a different time zone, this is a quick setting you can update in just a few moments. Changing your time zone in Slack can help make message timestamps more accurate and can also improve how your availability appears to other people in your workspace. To get started, open Slack on your computer and look to the bottom left corner of the window. There, click your profile picture. This opens your account menu where you'll find several settings related to your Slack experience. From that menu, click Preferences. The Preferences area is where Slack stores your personal settings, including notifications, appearance options, and regional settings. Once Preferences opens, look through the left-hand sidebar and select Language and Region. This section controls things like language, formatting, and time-related settings for your account. After you're in Language and Region, find the option that says Set Time Automatically. If this box is currently checked, Slack is using an automatic setting based on your device or location, which means you won't be able to manually choose a different time zone yet. Go ahead and uncheck that box to enable manual editing. As soon as automatic time is turned off, the time zone setting becomes available. Click the time zone drop-down menu to view the list of available options. Slack typically organizes these by region and city, so take a moment to choose the one that best matches the location or time zone you want to use. Next, select your new time zone from the list. Once you click it, Slack will apply the change right away. In most cases, you won't need to save anything manually since the setting updates automatically. If you want to confirm the change, you can simply look at message timestamps or revisit the language and region section to make sure your selected time zone is now displayed. If the option still doesn't seem right, double check that the automatic time setting remains unchecked. And that's all it takes to change your time zone in Slack. It's a simple adjustment, but it can make a big difference when you're working across regions or managing communication in different time zones. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.